welcome back. And today I'm going to walk you through the Preflight Universal. I've been posting this one in LinkedIn for quite a long time right now. And today, finally, I feel like my web app is ready to give you a small demo. Before that, let me quickly visit the high level architecture part. What is Preflight Universal? And why I think that this is a good solution and how it will help anyone who is working in the AI part and they can adopt this one to their architecture and it will help them out. So yeah, before diving deep into the high level architecture, I just want to set the context that right now we are giving textual input, document input, and some media input as well. When I say media, it's mainly video and audio. So, but the percentage of textual and document inputs are more. And what is happening right now is like if you uh, give a proper data where all the AI and LLM model can, the middleware can extract the data and then set the context and then set the metadata and then it will allow it to send to the any LLM part to give you the right information. So sometimes what happens in this area, in this journey, the context of the data is not enough, the metadata is not properly formed, or the tagging of the data is not correct. So as a result, as an end user, you will see like you won't get a precise output. And maybe you will see sometimes it is hallucinating. Maybe you will see sometimes it is going a little bit off the main context. So, so what exactly happens? So when these things happens in general, so at the end, the infrastructure has burned its fuel. It has burned its computing capabilities, and but at the end, the user is not happy, and those data which it collected, it went directly or treated as a garbage information. So I was going through a lot of articles, and also I'm working on it. To give you a proper calculation how you can save money on this computing infrastructure if you implement this pre-flight universal kind of architecture into your software. And I will be soon uploading that part as well. But let us focus on what is happening with Preflight Universal. So Preflight Universal works on the edge and the browser level. So generally, it works on your side, on client side. It does not work in the cloud side. So basically, when you are giving any information uh, for to go to the AI and AI to process it and give you the result back. So before that, it will check like whether the data is good enough or not, what kind of data it is, and whether this data has the minimum capabilities or the minimum contextual data, or we can form, and out of that we can form metadata so that it can give you a, uh, you know, highest accurate result. So in this layer, it function. It does not do lot, but what it does is like if you give any data to it, it will identify the data quality. It will understand the nature of data. It will help you to tag the data, and also like it will give you a meaningful feedback that whether this data is good to upload or not to upload. And it will help you also to give you a more constructive instructions. So this is where all happening over here, and this is where your layer comes into the picture. So I am only focusing on this layer, and let us go ahead and showcase you a small demo. Here is a, let me go ahead quickly upload. some document, and this is text PDF. It's my CV anyway. So yeah, so once I upload this one, so it is able to understand the nature of the information that I have provided. It is able to tag, okay, this is a document, and it's a document data, and it can go directly to the OCR part of it to extract the information or anything like that. Then if I go ahead and upload something with the image, this is the architectural image that I'm using just now. I'm just trying to open that. So it is analyzing and it's written with a score. It is 85%. I mean, out of 100%, out of 100, it scored 85. It is good. And again, it tagged into its nature of the data. And right now, if I go for the more complex information, suppose, for example, a CT scan. So yeah, here what it happened is here it's scored, it's 29. It looks like this image is too small and it cannot be processed further. And it also guided like, yeah, this is too small, blurry, please upload more cleaner image. So let me pick up one more. This is the hand X-ray. So yeah, so here this is able to identify, okay, this is an X-ray. And this X-ray is bad, it's blurry and it's small in nature. So let us go and pick up any example like which will give us a pass-through threshold. Yeah, and the skull, it identified, okay, this is also an X-ray, but this image is bigger in size. It's a good quality, and we can go ahead and process this image, although the scoring is average. So still it's allowing to process it. So basically, out of all this data, what you can do is like you can increase the quality of the user input. You can coach the user to give a more contextual input, and through this, you won't be creating more garbage information. You won't be storing more garbage information, and you won't be wasting your computing power, and this can be done at the edge level, at the browser level itself. And I think it's a pretty good solution on saving infrastructure computing cost. I'm improving the web app slowly. And this is currently at the time of recording is version 0.0.8. If I improve, I will keep on improving on the user feedback and user information, uh, and we will see the versions goes higher, like maybe 0.0.9. But yeah, this is overall what our Preflight Universal is doing, and this is my mascot. So yeah, try it out and give me a feedback, and maybe you can give me or join with me to improve this, and we can work together. Or like if you need help to set up this one, and anyway, this is a I will attach my Git also, and I will make it public, and you can go through the code and you can also modify and you can improvise as you go. Yeah, but this is my thought behind all this crazy thing that is going on out there with the AI. Yep, that's it. Happy coding.